I got here Victorinox Alox 2022 Limited Edition. Um, I believe this was released January 17th, Monday of 2022. And I wanted to show you the shade of the color of this Pioneer X. This is listed as the color is thunder gray. There. Right there, thunder gray. Pioneer X Alox Limited Edition 2022. Now, I made this video to get so you can get a closer look on the shade of the color of this knife. There you go. It's there's an engraving in the back, 2022, right there. On the knife, there's nothing in there. Now, so you can see how it compares to the color of the 2021 Tiger Orange Pioneer X that was released last year. Now, here is the standard Alox but this is a Farmer X Alox. I meant to say it's the standard scales next to a standard scale Alox. Now here is a black Alox next to a black Alox, and then here is a berry red Alox. So you can see the color difference. Sorry, this is the best I could do. So you can have a comparison on how the color is on this. Now, this is not a review, it's just a closer look on how the color of the thunder gray looks like. I'll put it here so you can have an idea on how the gray color of this compares. All right, so again, the 2022 Alox Limited Edition in Thunder Gray. Thank you for watching.